All right, so we are live with break 2387, series 1, 1718, 6 again. So, for those breaks, you guys know by now we have to do a random. So, this one we've got Andrew on top, all the way down to Mark last. So, I'm live. By the way, guys, thanks for your fast payments. That's why we can do those breaks so quickly. All right, so Andrew on top, Mark last. 30 teams, 3 randoms. Good luck, everybody. Got 1, 2, 3. On top, Chicago Blackhawks. Last, the Vancouver Canucks. So, 3 times. All the teams are there. Let's match those teams. Hey. There it is. Alright, so we start with Andrew. Chicago, Carolina, St. Louis Blues. Jeff, Washington, New York Rangers, Tampa Bay Lightning. Chris Longteen, New Jersey Devils, New York Islanders, Montreal. Robert, Flyers, Detroit, Edmonton. Jamie, Florida, San Jose, Anaheim. Mac, Boston, Nashville, Ottawa. Chris, Toronto, Arizona, Dallas. Minnesota, Columbus, and Winnipeg for Jordan. Rick, Colorado, Pittsburgh, Buffalo. And Mark, Los Angeles, Vancouver Canucks, and the Calgary Flames. So let me copy paste that list on Facebook. There it is. And now for the Golden Knights. There's 1, 2. The last one. Jordan. Oh, you've got the Golden Knights. Congrats. Get it there. There it is. So let's do this. Good luck, everybody. I will go full screen. Right, so this way. I don't need that. All right, first pack, we start with a canvas from Minnesota, Mikko Koivu. A little closer. Next, we've got a young gun for Boston, Jake DeBrusk. Next, we've got a base pack. Young gun canvas for the Carolina Hurricane, Jani Kukkonen. Next, we've got a canvas for the Montreal Canadiens, Paul Barron. Young gun St. Louis Blues, Vance Dunn. Portraits for the Edmonton Oilers, Leon Draisaitl. Next, we've got a young gun for Columbus, Gabriel Carlson. I hate when it happens. All right, next, we've got a base pack. Portraits for Pittsburgh, Evgeny Malkin. Base pack. And last pack of tin number 1 is the Shining Stars, New York Rangers, Matt Zuccarello. So, first one is done. Let's do number 2. 10-2 pack 1, starting with a young gun for Toronto, Andreas Borkman. Well, that's a nice one if you want to insure a McAvoy. He comes with that guy. Next, we've got a base pack. What jersey now? Arizona Coyotes, Louis Domingue. What do we have? A portrait for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Young gun for Tampa Bay, Jake Dutchin. Base pack. What do we have next? Another base pack. Young gun! Oh, nice! New Jersey Devils. I'm pretty sure it's Chris Leontin. I got you. A nice hit. Nico Hischier for the New Jersey Devils Young gun. Next, we've got a portrait for the San Jose Sharks, Brent Burns. I hate when that happens. Packs for 2 weeks. Next, we've got a canvas for Flyers, Sean Couturier. Shining Stars for Winnipeg, Patrick Laine. That last pack of number 2. We've got a canvas for Buffalo. What the hell is happening? Evander Kane. Let's do our third one. First pack. Here we go, starting with a canvas for the Detroit Red Wings, Frans Nielsen. Next, we've got a Shining Stars Red, St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Canvas for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Braden Point. Next, we've got a portrait for Anaheim, Hampus Lindholm. What do we have? A young gun for the Flyers, Samuel Morin. Base pack. Young gun canvas. This is the second time I pull it in 2 breaks. Young gun canvas for Edmonton, Keller Yamamoto. Young gun for Washington, Nathan Walker. Portraits, rookie Arizona Coyotes, Clayton Keller. Got a base pack. Shining Stars for Winnipeg, Blake Wheeler. And last pack of our third one. What do we have? A young gun for the Vancouver Canucks, Brock Boeser. Nice break so far. One Boeser, one Hischier. Only missing a McAvoy. Alright, number 4. Number 4, pack 1, starting with a canvas for Ottawa, Alexander Burrows. Young gun for Pittsburgh, Carter Rowney. Canvas for Carolina, Jacob Slevin. Come on. Please. Alright, got it. Next thing, we got a jersey. Yep, jersey for the Edmonton Oilers, Cam Talbot. Portraits for the New York Rangers, JT Miller. Young gun for Chicago, Alex DeBrincat. Base back. Shining Stars for Chicago, Patrick Kane. Next, we've got a base back. Young gun for Calgary, John Gillies. Our last two packs. We've got a portrait for Chicago, Jonathan Toews. And the last one. We have, oh god damn it, their base pack. Two last. Number 5. Oh, I'm gonna get that out first. I want to damage them. Alright, number 5, pack 1. So we start with a young gun for the Flyers, Robert Egg. Next, we've got a base pack. Another base pack. Jersey for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Andrei Vasilevsky. We have another base pack. Young gun for Dallas, Denis Gurianov. Oh, that one was a quickie with a portrait for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. We've got a canvas, Detroit. Oh no, that's not Detroit Red Wings. Carolina Hurricanes, Sebastian Aho. Shining Stars for Tampa Bay, Nikita Kucherov. Portraits for Colorado, Mikko Rantanen. Young gun for Ottawa, Alex Fermanton. And last pack of number 5. What do we have? We've got a canvas for Winnipeg, Matthew Perreault. I said Matthew Perreault. Matthew Perreault. Well, those base cards, eh? Alright, that was 5. Let's do our last one, number 6. And last 10 for this one. Alright, so we are going to start with a Young Gun canvas for Ellie, Adrian Kemp. Nice hit for Ellie. Next, we've got a canvas for the Vancouver Canucks, Troy Stecher. Young gun for Arizona, Christian Fisher. Portraits for Buffalo, Rasmus Ristolainen. Base back. Young Gun for the Flyers, Travis Sanheim. I think Flyers got them 3 Young Guns. Morin, Sanheim, and Hag. Next, we've got a Shining Stars Red, Minnesota Wild. Nino Niederreiter. Canvas for Chicago, Duncan Keith. Portraits for the LA Kings, Jeff Carter. Young Gun for Winnipeg, Jack Roslovic. Last 2 packs. This one is a base pack, and our last one, it's always not a base pack. We've got a Shining Stars for Boston, David Pastrnak. So that is it for 2387. I will be live soon with 2388. And I'm going to post another 6 tins because I've got someone, Peter, who already paid his spot. So I'm going to post another one tonight. Thanks, guys.